Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to study the last point from that chapter is the absolute value. Absolute value. Absolute value. Suppose x is the any real number, then the value of that real number on the number line. The value of that real number on the number line, that is distance from the origin on the number line, is the value of that number, real number, is the absolute value. That is, values on the number line are never be negative. Values on the number line on the that real number is never be negative. Only the distance always be positive. That is, only the distance is towards the left side or the right side, but the distance is never be negative, and the absolute value is the distance of that real number on the number line from the origin, that is from the 0. For example, if x is the real number, then absolute value of x is the distance from the 0 on the number line, is the absolute value. When and we are writing that absolute value in the sign modulus. For example, value of the x is the mod x. Value of the x is mod x. It is written as mod x or modulus of x. X is any real number, and read as, or we can say, that is the modulus of x or mod x. Modulus of x or mod x. There are three rules. There are three rules to write the value of that x. First rule, that is, if x is greater than 0, if x is greater than 0, then if x is greater than 0, then mod x is equal to x. Then mod x is equal to x. If x is positive, then value of x is x. If x is positive, that is greater than 0, means x is positive. Second rule, if x is equal to 0, if x is equal to 0, then mod x or modulus x is equal to 0. Mod x or modulus x is equal to 0, because value of x is equal to 0. Value of x is equal to 0. Therefore, the modulus of that x is also 0. And the third rule, if x less than 0, if x is less than 0, then modulus of x is equal to negative x. Modulus of x is negative x. And suppose we are substituting the value of that x, negative number, and negative will get positive. That is, modulus value never be negative. It is always positive, because it is the distance from the origin on the number line, and distance never be negative. Mind well, these are the three rules. We will study the different examples from that. These are the three rules. For example, mod 3 or mod 3 is equal to value of that x 3 is 3, modulus 3. Then second example, minus 7 is equal to minus in bracket minus 7 is equal to minus will get plus 7. That is value of that modulus never be negative. Third rule. This is the third rule. Then next example. Mod 0 is equal to 0. Mod 0 is equal to 0. That is, these values are 0. The absolute value. Write down one sentence. The absolute value of any real number is never negative. Absolute value of any real number is never negative. Though it is negative number, but absolute value of that negative number is also positive. Then our next examples. Find the value. Find the value. There is next question. Will be asked for 2 marks. Find the value. Find the value. For example, mod 10 minus 7. Mod 10 minus 7. Then 10 minus 7 is equal to mod 3. Is equal to 3. Mod 3 is equal to 3. Then second example. Mod 9 minus 12. Mod 9 minus 12 is equal to mod minus 3 is equal to mod minus 3 is equal to 3 is equal to 3. Then third example, mod 10 into mod 8 is equal to mod 10 into mod 8 is equal to mod 10 is equal to 10 and mod 8 is equal to 8. Therefore, 10 into 8 is equal to 80. These are the simple examples based on the modulus. But there is another rule or a very important rule. Will be asked for 3 marks. That is the example based on that rule will be asked for 3 marks. And the rule is that fourth rule, very important, if mod x is equal to a, if mod x is equal to a, then x is equal to plus minus a. X is equal to plus minus a. If mod x is equal to a, then the value of that real number x is equal to plus minus a. We have to use this rule and then solve the problems based on that. We will be asked for 3 marks. Then we will study one example based on this rule. Very important rule. For example, there is one example, small example. We will study from the practice set 2.5. Practice set 2.5. First example, 3x minus 5 is equal to 1. 3x minus 5. Mod 3x minus 5 is equal to 1. Mod 3x minus 5 is equal to 1. Therefore, 3x minus 5 is equal to plus minus 1. 3x minus 5 is equal to plus minus 1. Therefore, 3x minus 5 is equal to 1 or 3x minus 5 is equal to minus 1. Therefore, 3x is equal to 1. Transfer this minus 5 towards the right hand side. It is minus, it will be plus. 1 plus 5. 3x is equal to 6. Therefore, x is equal to 6 upon 3. Therefore, x is equal to 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2. And if we consider the negative value, 3x minus 5 is equal to minus 1. 3x minus 5 is equal to minus 1. Then, therefore, 3x is equal to minus 1. Transfer this minus 5 towards the right hand side. It will be plus 5. 3x is equal to minus 1 plus 5 plus 4. X is equal to 4 upon 3. This is another value. Therefore, x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 4 upon 3. These are the two values. In this way, we can solve this example, or we will take another example based on this rule. Third example, 8 minus x upon 2 is equal to 5. 8 minus x upon 2 is equal to 5. This is the another example. Therefore, by using our rule, 8 minus x upon 2 is equal to plus minus 5. 8 minus x upon 2 is equal to plus minus 5. Then first we have to take plus 5, then minus 5. Therefore, 8 minus x upon 2 is equal to 5. Then transfer this 2 towards the right hand side. It is divided. It will be multiplied. 8 minus x is equal to 5 into 2. 8 minus x is equal to 10. Transfer this 8 towards the right hand side. It is plus. It will be minus. Minus x is equal to 10 minus 8. Minus x is equal to 2. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2. This is one value. X is equal to minus 2. And if we take the value of that negative, minus 5, then what will happen? Minus 5. Then again transfer this to 8 minus x is equal to minus 5 into 2. 8 minus x is equal to minus 10. Transfer this 8 towards the right hand side. It is plus. It will be minus. Minus x is equal to minus 10 minus 8. Minus x is equal to minus 10 minus 8. Same signs are there. We have to carry out the addition of that numbers. Minus 18. On both sides there is negative number. Cancel that. X is equal to 18. This is the another example. Another value. That is 18. Then in this way we can solve that practice set and the absolute value. I think that you have got the examples and the concept of that absolute value. That is, absolute value never be negative. It is the value of that real number on the number line from the origin. That is why that value never be negative. Okay. Thank you.